Welcome back, guys. In today's video, 10 minutes relaxing stretches for a fresh start. Come down on your mat, sitting cross-legged. We're going to start off with sitting cat stretches. Bring your hands on the knees and feel free to close your eyes throughout the practice if you want to focus on your breath and the body. And as you inhale, we're going to push the chest forward. Use the hands, grab the knees, push the chest forward. Arch the back, head up, squeeze the shoulder blades together, shoulders back. And as you exhale, we're going the other way, chin to chest, round the back, suck the tummy in, hang into the spine. And inhale, forward. Exhale, back. We're going to do 3 more, following your breath. When you've done your rounds, come back to the center. Sit comfortably. We're going to stretch into the neck. Relax your shoulders, relax your jaw. We're going to bring the chin to the chest. Bring the chin forward and then down. Stretching into the back of the neck. And inhale, bring the chin back up. And now we're taking the chin up to the sky. Again, don't throw your head back. It's you pointing, you take the chin, you're pointing up and forward because we want to create a stretch in the front. Keep your mouth closed. And back to the center. Taking the chin up to the sky is good for the double chin. And exhale, we're going to take the head and we're going to look to the side. Don't let your shoulders move. Shoulders stays forward. Only the head moves and look as far back as you can. And back to the center. And other side. Exhale. Inhale. Back to the center. Now we're going to take the ear to the shoulder. So we're not taking the nose, we're taking the ear. Ear to the shoulder, don't bring the shoulder up, keep both shoulders down and back to the center. And exhale, other side. And inhale up. We're going to hold it now. As you exhale, chin to the chest and hold it. We have a neutral spine in this position, so don't arch your back. And inhale, come back to the center. There's a slight drizzle in the air, very, very faint. So I hope not it interferes. And let's go up, chin up, hold it. And inhale back to center. Exhale, head to the side. And inhale, center. Exhale to the other side. And of course, we just breathe normally while we hold the poses. And inhale, center. Now the ear to the shoulder. Exhale, ear to the shoulder. Keep the shoulders down. Inhale, back up, exhale, other side. And center and relax. Well done. And straighten your legs. We're going to stretch into the legs. Open your legs as wide as you can, toes pointing up. Make sure the buttocks is to the back. You can stay here, otherwise bring your hands to the front. Inhale, and as you exhale, walk the hands forward and come as low as you can and hold it. And inhale, slowly walk the hands back. Very good. And we're going to go into box, bringing the legs together and swing them around and come onto the knees and into box. Wrist under the shoulders, knees under the hips. We're going to do thread the needle. Try and keep this box shape, so try keep your hips over the knees. Inhale, take your right arm up. Look at the hand. And exhale, we're going to thread. Take the right arm behind the left. Don't bring the shoulder near the knees. Keep it away. Shoulder to the floor, head to the floor. And stretch the left arm over the head. And look under the armpit to the sky. Don't let the hips go to the side. Keep it over the knees. If your head can't reach the floor, feel free to place a pillow under your head or your shoulder. And inhale, drag your left hand back in front of your face. Press into the left hand and take your right arm, full rotation to the top or as far as you can and back down. And to the other side, left arm up. And we thread, keeping the space here so the shoulders far away. And the right arm over the head, over the ear. And look under the armpit to the sky. And inhale, drag the right hand back in front of the face. Press into the right hand, release the left arm, full rotation. And exhale, come back down. Stay in box. We're going to go into puppy. So keep the hips over the knees. And all we're going to do is move the hands forward and bring the chest to the floor. You can have the chest and the chin. If you can't reach, you can have the forehead. But we're aiming the chest to the floor. And don't bring the buttocks forward or take it back. Keep it over the knees. And we are holding puppy. And inhale, slowly walk your hands back and come back into box. From box, we're going to go and sit down. So bring your knees forward onto the buttocks and just sit comfortably cross-legged. We're going to work into the shoulders and shoulder blades. Relax your shoulders. Bring the fingertips as close as you can to the shoulders. And as you inhale, bring your elbows as close together. We're going to make large circles with the elbows and as close to the body. And then exhale to the back. Squeeze your shoulder blades together and down. And we're going to do 4 more. Inhale and exhale, keeping the spine neutral. Don't let the spine arch as you go back. Inhale, exhale. 2 more. If you can't get the elbows together, it's okay, even if you do rotations this far apart. Do what your body can. And when we've done 5, we change directions. So now it's inhale to the back, squeeze the shoulder blades together. And exhale to the front. And we're going to do 4 more. Focus on your breath and the movement. One more. And relax. Very good. Okay, stay as you are. Take your arms out to the side. And I want you to only breathe through the nostrils as we always do. And I want you to scoop the air around you and breathe deep into the tummy. Fill the lungs all the way from the tummy up to the collarbone. Long, slow breaths. Let's go. And inhale. Once your hands are together, exhale. Bring them down. We're going to do 2 more. Inhale. Thank you. Tip of the day. Now, if you grew up in the Western culture, there's always no pain, no gain. If you don't feel it the next day, you don't feel it while you're doing it, it's not doing anything. It's like we always want confirmation, we want proof, visual proof, or we want to feel it, to say something is working. But you will find that yoga works into your nervous system. You don't always feel it. If you are a sensitive person, you will feel the slight subtle changes, but if you are not, you will not feel it, and it will feel like you're wasting your time. Your mind will say, oh, what is this? I'm wasting my time. This is not working. And I promise you, it is working. Sometimes the body needs something soft, something gentle, and something with awareness and focus. So to have a balanced life, balanced body, so you need that intense, sweaty, hard workout, but you also need the mindfulness, the nervous system stimulation. All yoga stimulate the nervous system, but it's a different kind of energy, different kind of stimulation. It works in the different parts of the body that you are not familiar with and that you not necessarily feel on a physical level. So both, I would suggest both is equally important. And I'm talking to you guys like me who grew up in the West, and we always think we need to, go at it to get benefit, and it's not true. Trust me, it is not true. Well, that's my tip for the day. When you do something soft, don't think it's not working. It is working. Just because you can't feel it doesn't mean it is not working. It's really coming, the drizzle has now turned into a little bit of a light rain. So we've made it to the end of the video. So I'm gonna run inside, grab my phone before it gets too wet. If you are new here, oh my God, hit the subscribe button. If you like this, hit the like button. And thank you so much for watching. I enjoy making these videos for you guys. Have a lovely day. Ariom. Tat Sat.